Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today I will be showing how I organize everything when I have some guests coming over. It's really important to pre-plan everything. I always used to plan the menu at least one day before, so that I do not have any confusion on the day the guests come. So I will be showing how I prepare dinner for guests step by step. Before moving to the video, if you are a new viewer, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification. So let's get started. As they are coming for dinner, I have enough time to prepare on the same day. So the first thing on the morning, I enter to my kitchen and I take out all the decided meats, chickens from the fridge. I have decided the menu on the previous day itself, so I am taking all the meats outside and soak in the water to release the ice from the chicken and meat. We'll be preparing beef curry, chicken curry and chicken fry by using the breast piece, a different style of chicken fry. You will really enjoy this recipe. Moving towards the rice, here I am taking 2 glasses of matta rice or boiled rice and 1 glass of raw rice. Now let's soak this at least for 4 to 5 hours. I am going to prepare nei patal, which is really very tasty and delicious. Now let's cut the chicken breast into cube pieces. We are going to prepare a chicken fry from this, a different style of chicken fry. So wash the chicken, let's marinate this. Transfer the chicken into a mixing bowl. Adding 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Enough salt, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well. I forgot to add the pepper powder into it, so adding half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now mix it well, let it combine very well. Let's keep this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now moving towards the cleaning. First wash the beef and remove all the dirt and fat from the beef. Always change the water. Rinse it well till the bloods disappear. At least 4 to 5 times you need to change the water. And at last I use 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and wash it thoroughly and put it in the strainer to drain the water. Now it's ready. Moving towards cleaning the chicken. This is big pieces. Cut into 2 pieces and remove all the dirts and fats from the chicken. Wash it till the blood disappear. Finally adding some salt and cleaning and transfer it into a strainer to drain the water. Now it's done. Let's clean the sink first, or else we will get the bad smell as we have cleaned the non-veg. For dessert, I am serving fruit custard. For that, boiling 2 glasses of milk by adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. Adding 1½ tablespoon of custard powder into 1/4 glass of milk. Mix it thoroughly and add this into a boiling milk. Stir it continuously that not to get lumps. Now it's ready. The consistency is thick. Let's keep this in a refrigerator for 2 hours. Now cutting the onions. Have taken 7 to 8 onions for all the curries and ghee rice. Cut it as thin as possible and keep it in a bowl. It's finely sliced so that it won't take more time to cook. Now let's begin the preparation. Starting with the beef curry, adding 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Now add onions, 2 onions. Saute it well till it becomes golden in color. When the color changes, let's add few curry leaves into it. Now saute it. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute well. Adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let the raw smell go. Adding 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Add in half teaspoon of pepper powder and give it a good mix. Now let's add the beef pieces into it. Mix it well. Add enough salt into it. Give it a good mix. Now spread half of 1 onion on the top of a beef and 1 sliced tomato. Again half of onion and 1 tomato. And on the top of the tomato, add 4 green chillies according to your taste. If you like more spicy, then add 2 more green chilli. Now close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, let's roast the coconut crepes. Roast it till it becomes golden brown. Have taken half cup of coconut crepes. When it changes its color, add few curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed and roast it like this. Now keep it aside. Once the air is completely released, open the lid and check whether the beef is cooked or not. If not, give 1 more whistle. Now transfer the beef into a wide pan. Switch on the flame. Let it come to boil. When it starts to boil, add the roasted masala powder into it. I have shown this masala powder in my previous beef curry video. Please do check in the description box or the above iCard. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. Mix it well. Add few more curry leaves to get a nice aroma for the curry and close the lid and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. After that, finally add the roasted coconut into it. Mix it well. Now the curry is almost done. Let it cook for another 3 minutes to get the consistency little bit thick. Finish it by adding coriander leaves. This curry is perfect for ghee rice. So let's prepare ghee rice. For ghee rice, fry the onions first itself, adding 3 tablespoons of ghee and 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry this till it becomes crisp. Now it's perfectly done. Let's take it out, and in the same oil fry the cashews and raisins. Before preparing the rice, soak the rice at least for 15 minutes. Here have taken 1 kg of jeeragashala rice. Now let's prepare. Adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee into the vessel, like 140 gram of ghee, that is for 1 kg rice. Now add the whole spices into it: cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, bay leaves, and saute it for 1 minute. After that, add the rice into this ghee and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Sauteing the rice in the ghee will not stick the rice while cooking. Now add in 6 glasses of boiling water. For 1 kg rice, 6 glasses of water. Now add enough salt and mix it well. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes or till the water gets evaporate. Now the water has become completely dry. Let's add the fried onions, cashews and raisins. Spread it all over the ghee rice and let's keep it for dum at least for 10 to 12 minutes. Have posted 2 easy method of ghee rice. You can check the description below or the above iCard for the recipe. So the ghee rice will be ready after 12 minutes. Let's move on to the fruit custard. Already made the custard and kept in the refrigerator. Let's cut the fruits. You can choose any of the fruits of your choice. Here I have taken apple. Cut it into 4 pieces and peel the skin. Kids like to have the apples without skin. So I am peeling the skin and cutting into desired pieces. Have taken 1 orange, that also cutting into small pieces. Few grapes, that also you can cut into small pieces, and plums. You can add any of the fruits of your choice and also can add the nuts also. I have taken 1 banana. Now transfer this into a mixing bowl and mix it well with the spoon or spatula and add the custard on the top and mix it again. Mix well with the spoon or spatula and keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour and serve chilled. Friends, I will split this video into 2 parts as having 4 to 5 recipe in one video will be too long. So stay tuned and check the rest recipe in the part 2 video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.